She ain't got much left to go now. I've seen a molt before, and that is at the tips of those legs. And look at the new colours of her. And we're thinking this is now a female. I watched a video of some dude who's got like 100 odd spiders, and his female Smithy was upside down, and if it looks like between the butt lungs and the top makes a triangle, and that's not certain, but a good guarantee it could be a female. And once he pulled the molt out and checked on it, it was a female. Well, Anne's got the kind of sack that his spider got, and when I looked at my other spider, Wilma, over there, she hasn't got any sacks yet, but that's because she's still a juvenile, or maybe even a male. Here she comes, she's nearly out. This is the first time I've ever seen this in real life. I'll tell you something, my back's killing.
She looks big.
Does she? Yeah. The abdomen not be as fat now though, you know.
No,
they never are.
Big, her fangs look big.
Yeah, legs should be a little bit bigger.
She's loads bigger.
We'll see when she flips over. If we might not get to see that. Oh, you could see all delicate parts though, can't you?
Yeah.
Like glue, innit? You see them? Look like glue, don't they?
Yeah, she's only got literally the tips of her toes in.
Is that it?
Yeah.
God, my back's thrashing me.
Not a big bush though.
Here she goes, she's nearly out now. Hold this a minute, please. My back's aching. Don't hit the tank. Let me have some viewing. Record all that. Oh, just as you, Derek, she pushes it off. Are you looking at what? Are you going, or just looking at the spider?
I'm looking at the view of the camera at the spider.
Still one more push. That's great, its legs are bigger. Must be. Well, yeah, what, babe, we waited up all night for this, and it was worth it, wasn't it?
Yep.
Well, we're about to soon find out.
No.
Still more?
Still more.
Not much now. One more. it's like a woman pushing a baby out, and it's pulling itself out instead of pushing itself out. Well, I don't know what it's doing. I suppose it's kind of, at first it's pushing itself out, and then it's pulling itself out, isn't it?
Thanks for sticking up on there a bit.
I can't see that.
The red bit inside.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I think she's pulled out, that's it. She's out. Final tips of her legs are out, look. Absolutely buzzing. Is the whole body piece out as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, everything's out now.
I think so, yeah.
When I was watching Dark then, though, it's like its rump come out last year, remember? Because it got stuck on it, cut it with scissors. Remember? Hopefully though, she's fully out then. I think you're right.
She's spread her legs up.
Look at old. I see what you're saying. Yeah, look at old fangs. That's what I was looking at. That's what I was saying to you. What the hell is that? And you going, it's a leg.
Oh,
I'm
no,
going, that's not a leg. No, I'll go in. Look from here. I'll go into you. Look, what's that? Look, come here, my side. And you go in a leg. I'm thinking that's not a leg. Now look up. Now look up. It's the fangs.
It looks like Sebastian football made.
Anyway, let's calm down a bit because he's stressed.